XSENS offers a multi-path ultrasonic clamp-on flow and fraction meter with high accuracy. The parts are clamped to the outside of the pipe as a fixed installation. Under the covers are the brackets holding our patented helical and axial ultrasonic transducers. These helical transducers are bent around the pipe to force the signals to travel close to the pipe wall. The signal travels back and forth to measure the time of flight in the liquid or gas. We measure flow rate in a single or dual phase liquid and in gas or wet gas. Our technology achieves high accuracy of ±1% due to our capability of measuring the full velocity profile. We send the signal close to and through the pipe wall as shown by the red arrows. This unique way of measuring is patented by XSENS. This allows for a reference measurement in the pipe, which makes the measurement very robust. Axial transducers are used to send the signal through the center of the pipe. We can measure speed of sound to detect water cut percentage in oil. When combining the helical and axial setup with up to 6 pairs of transducers, we get a very accurate picture of the full bore of the pipe. This feature can also be used to compensate for flow with uneven distribution, which is typical after a bend. We offer a 2-in-1 design for measuring flow rate and water cut, reducing overall project cost. The high accuracy flow and fraction measurement and easy mechanical installation allows clients to have optimized production, zero downtime, no leakage and reduced life cycle cost. Thank you for watching.